Very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate MediRAG hackathon project. Here you can see welcome to MediRAG. What is a MediRAG? MediRAG is an AI healthcare tool where which you can use uh, like a X-ray diagnosis. You can create a personal health plan. If you want to book an appointment, you can do it. Or personal healthcare, multilingual healthcare chatbot. Yeah, these are four features available at right now. And yeah, that's it for today. We will go each and every feature available in our project, and we will go through. So let's start with appointment schedule. Here you can see if we want to select our preferred date, preferred time, whatever name you want to type, select doctor, select appointment. Reason for visit is if you have a current symptoms, so you need to mention here. Is there any brief medical history? So people can mention here. Then click on schedule appointment. Here you can see the respective person receive a mail within a few seconds. Yeah, this is our first feature. Let's start with another feature. X-ray and document diagnosis. Here you can upload PDF or image. Let's start with images. I will upload the image in my X-ray image in my local PC. If you want to see image, I will show you. But yeah, let me open the image in this tab. Oh, okay. Here you can see the consult a specialist for further evaluation, and they give some suggestion. Okay, we try with different images, and it will give some different output. Here you can upload PDF also. It will convert PDF into picture, and then it will, yeah, here you can see consult with I am unable to provide medical permit. Okay, yeah, let me select the third images. Yeah, consult a further for further evaluation. Yeah, this for, and last one, another JPG, PNG, and other format. Okay, here you can see I upload another image like finger screen with black background, expect two fingers. So here you can see they give some answer. I am unable to view image, but I means both are joint alignment, soft tissue, and yeah, here they try to predict as much as he can. But here we use OpenAI model, but for production level we use specialized vision model to diagnosis this thing. Yeah. Second one is completed X-ray. Here we upload PDF also. Third one is personalized health planner. Here we give some dummy data like age is 25, my weight is 50 kg, height is 170. Let me put moderate, and let me put vegan, and I have a sleep issue. No, I don't have any sleep issue. Let me create some healthcare plan for this value. Okay, we will face some error, but yeah, because I think I put value in a different way. But if you want to see the error, if you want to see, here you can see the my health. Let me open this in again in better way. Yeah, here you can see if I put 25, 50, 170 vegan, or it will create a personalized healthcare plan. Yeah, here you can see the personalized means they created breakfast, what should I take, for lunch what should I take, and yeah, sleep routine and pre-sleep activity. Let me go through our amazing latest feature is mental health multilingual support chatbot. Yeah, here you can see the nice UI. Let me ask a very simple question. Hi. Yeah, here you can see the very good animation. Let me ask, I feels low. How can I motivate? Motivate? motivate. It's very simple or unreal. With yeah, here you can see they tried. I am sorry to hear you, but they try to answer this thing. Okay, here you can see in first language. Let me show you this thing in different languages in live also. Let me ask, hello, how are you? Okay, let me try with different language, English to Arabic. Hell, please give me some meditation technique or whatever. Okay, yeah. Let me ask this question to our live chatbot. Yeah, here you can see the time is also captured by chatbot. Okay, we don't know about Arabic, but yeah, here you can see the answer. Let me put my mother language, Gujarati or Hindi, Indian language, so we can see. Let me put this thing in Hindi. Yeah, here you can see the detailed answer. So yeah, this chatbot is perfectly live and multi-language chatbot. That's why we put in background other language. Here, if you want to speak, you can speak it. And if you want to see some video, so this is the relaxation video. You play this video. Yeah. That's it for today. I hope you guys are enjoying this MediRAG demo. If you want to, let me take this repository and go through about technical architecture and technical code. Yeah, our project repository name is MediRAG. So here you see the main page. What are the technical architecture? So here we use a lot. If we want to use it production level, we need to use load balancer. Here we try to create a Docker file and using Docker Compose, we try to run backend and frontend in backend and frontend. You can whatever you have means that appointment data or anything, you can store this thing in database, or if you receive some file data or like PDF or in X-ray we receive images, so we can store this thing in file storage. Usually in this project we use OpenAI API. So if you want to use, you can use Microsoft or any other large language model for vision purpose. Here we use X-ray, so you can use specified fine-tuned model. Yeah, here you can see the demo of detailed demo of this thing. Why we if we here we in if you see my code, we there are some factor like temperature. So if we reduce temperature to zero, we will get same result. So yeah, here I personalized healthcare plan, appointment booking. Here you can see the demo of multi-language chatbot, and it you can see means these chatbot are support uh, so many language. Yeah, here you can see this website is basically I use React and we use React and TypeScript as a front end, Node.js and Express as a backend. We use in this project we use OpenAI API, but you can use any other thing. And for styling we use Tailwind CSS. Yeah, and you that's it for okay. Yeah, that's it for today. If you want to see other thing code base, feel free to explore. And yeah, here we use a Docker Compose. Yeah, feel free to explore. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.